Thank you, Toastmaster Ankit, for that wonderful introduction. After a year of crawling on tiny, tender knees, a baby gets up to take on the world and puts its first step forward. There is always a first time. All those adolescent years, you grow up thinking that you're the best. One day, you listen to your dad struggle and realize that life is not so easy. There starts your journey to achieving success. There is always a first time. A war was won by a single-man army with the most powerful weapon of non-violence. He showed to the world that a leader need not be suited and booted, and yet be a powerful inspiration. Mahatma Gandhi. That is always the first time. When society opined that women are confined to kitchen and are weak, one lady fought for a kingdom with phenomenal determination and dedication and overthrew her opponents. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. There is always a first time. He fought all the critics and controversies to become the president of nation. He set an example that corruption need not be a requisite for a successful politician. A blend of immense talent and humility, he put India on the global map. There is Abdul Kalam. There is always a first time. Good evening, judges, guests, fellow Toastmasters, and all my dear friends. There is always a first time truly marks the spirit of the club's first contest. The vibrant orange poster signifies the enthusiasm and zeal that the entire team showed in pulling this event. When we started, all we had before us was a collage of ideas, suggestions, and brainstorming. It took rigorous 3 weeks of work to put all the pieces together, and I now welcome you all to SIPM Bangalore Toastmasters first club contest, Harran 1.0. Harran is a synonym of speech, elocution, or oration. First, I would like to read the Toastmasters mission statement at this time. The mission of a Toastmasters club is to provide a mutually supportive and positive learning environment in which every member has the opportunity to develop communication and leadership skills, which in turn foster self-confidence and personal growth. Now I request anyone with a pager or a cell phone to kindly switch it off or place it in vibration mode. No flash photography of the contestants during the contest. There will be photo opportunities later. Once the contest has begun, the sergeant-at-arms will secure the doors. Members and the audience are asked to refrain from leaving or entering the room during the contest. After the contest, no one will be permitted to leave the room until all the ballots are collected. We have 2 segments today, Lexis, that is prepared speeches, and Adlib, that is table topics. We move on to the first segment, that is Lexis. The rules for prepared speeches are as follows. The order of contestants was decided based on lottery. During the speech, you are allowed to carry cue cards for quick reference. However, there will be a penalty clause if they are used excessively. The timing cards will be shown as follows. Green card at the end of 5 minutes. Yellow card at the end of 6 minutes. Red card at the end of 7 minutes. And the red card will stay on until the speaker has finished speaking. No notice shall be given should a speaker go over time. Timing starts with the first word uttered or when the speaker uses any form of communication to the audience. There is a grace period of 30 seconds. And after the speech, there will be 1 minute of silence between speakers so that the judges may complete their forms. With this, let us begin our first segment, Lexis. I now request Speaker 1, Krupa Gujra, to come onto the stage.